Good morning, students. How many operations we studied in maths? We studied addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So these four operations you already studied. So we are going to discuss about a new operation other than these four. And these four operations, there should be a symbol. Plus sign is a symbol for addition. Minus sign is a symbol for subtraction. And multiplication, there is a symbol. Division, there is a symbol. But the next operation what you are studying, it has no symbol. The fifth operation in maths we are studying, that is exponentiation. Multiplication we can write as repeated addition. Same like repeated multiplication is exponentiation. 4 squares. Here, like this, 4 more squares are there. Okay, what about here? Double of this one is here. Okay. So here there should be 4 square. What about here? Double of that. That is 4 into 4. How much? 16 squares we will get. What about here? 16 into 4. How much we will get? 64 squares we will get. And what about the next? 64 into 4, 256 squares. So that is the power of multiplication. Okay, it will be double each time. Here 4 squares are there. What about here? Like this 4 squares. So 4 into 4, 16. What about here? Like this bigger 4 squares are there. So 16 into 4, 64. 4 raised to 1 means 1 into 4. 4 raised to 2 means 4 is multiplied 2 times. 4 raised to 3 means 4 is multiplied 3 times. If you want to write 4 raised to 5, how will you write? 4 should be multiplied 5 times. Okay. This is the way you can write. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. That we can write as 4 raised to 5. 4 into 4 become 4 raised to 2. So this 2 is the exponent. That is 3 is the exponent. Or we can say the power. We can say like this. 4 raised to 2. 4 raised to 2. Or we can write power of 4 is 2. Or we can say the second power of 4. Or we can write that is the exponent. Okay. Different way you can see this multiplication. Repeat multiplication is exponentiation. Exponent. That exponent is 2 here. What about here? What is the exponent of this one? That is 3. So the second power of a number is you can call as square. 4 raised to 2. The second power of the number, that is square we can write. Then the third power of the square, that is third power we can call as cube. Second power we can call as square. 10th power of 4, how will you write this? 4 raised to 10. 20th power of 4, that is 4 raised to 20. So this term, that is called exponent. Exponent, the power of the number, or called the exponent. As I already told, repeated what? Multiplication. See here, 4 into 4 we can write as 4 raised to 2. 2 times 4 is multiplied. 4 raised to 3 means 3 times 4 is multiplied. And you can call as cube. 5 times 4 is multiplied. So instead of writing this, we can easily write 4 raised to 5. So repeated multiplication, what is called exponentiation. Repeated multiplication is called exponentiation. Repeated addition is multiplication. Repeated multiplication is called exponentiation. Here 3 raised to 1, it is 3. 3 raised to 2 means second power of 3, that is 3 should be multiplied 3 times. What is the answer? 9. 3 raised to 3, how do you write? 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 should be multiplied 3 times. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3, 27. So this way again write this. 3 raised to 2, that is 9. 3 raised to 3 is 3 should be multiplied 3 times, that is 27. And what is this one? It is the exponent. The notation is write the upright of the number multiplied. How many times the number is multiplied, we can write here. How many times the number is, same number is multiplied. So that should be written on the upper right portion of the number. So 3 should be multiplied 3 times. 3 raised to 3. 3 should be multiplied 4 times. How will you write? 3 raised to 4. So what is the name of 4? That is the exponent. So repeated multiplication we can call as exponentiation. That is the fifth operation in maths. So instead of computing or repeatedly multiplying, we can write easily like this. 3 raised to, how many times it is multiplied. Compute the powers. 3 raised to 6, the value you have to find out. What is the meaning of this one? 3 should be multiplied 6 times. Like this. So if you multiply this, it will take more time. So instead of multiplying 1 by 1, okay, instead of multiplying 1 by 1, we can take in a group. These 3 we can write it together. That you know, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. So these 3 you can take in a group. So we can write this one as 27 into 27. So find out the square of 27. Which will get 729 is the answer. Next you write down this 2 raised to 9. 2 should be multiplied 9 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many are there? 8 are there. And one more. Keep this in a group. So 2 into 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 2. So here 4 2's are there, here 5 2's are there. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 8, 8 into 2, 16. Then here also same, can get 2 into 4, 4 into 8, 8 into 16. 16 into how much? 32. So you can find out the multiplication of 16 into 32. That you will get as 512. So instead of multiplying 1 by 1, we can keep in one group. Then you have to multiply it. 1 raised to 10. How will you find out this? 1 is multiplied 10 times. 1 is multiplied any times. What is the answer? 1 itself. So if 1 is multiplied many times, the answer is 1 only. There is no change. 1 raised to 100, that is 1 only. 1 raised to 50, the answer is 1 only. Then 0 raised to 20, what is the answer? Any number raised to 0 raised to 20, the answer is 0 itself. 0 is multiplied many times, that is the answer is 0 only. 1 is multiplied many times, the answer is 1 only. 4 raised to 4. How will you write this? 4 is multiplied 4 times. Then what do you do? Make into group. You know 4 into 4 how much? 16. 16 into 16 you have to write down. So 16 into 16 is how much? 256. So make into group and find out the answer. How many powers are there? The same number should be here also, that you remember. Okay. If 4 is there, 4 times the 4 is multiplied. 3 raised to 3. How do you write this? 3 into 3 into 3. That you know. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3, 27. So 3 should be multiplied 3 times. So remember that. That is called the, what is the name given to 3? That is exponent. It is the exponent of this one. Or the power of, or raised to, you can say. We studied about exponents. What is exponentiation? What is that? Repeated multiplication is exponentiation. It is 4 into 4. 4 is multiplied 2 times. 4 into 4. We can write as 4 square. That is the square of 4. It is written as 4 raised to 2. Or 4 to the power of 2. And it is called that 2 is called the power or the exponent. If 4 is multiplied 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 4 raised to 3. It is the cube of 4. 4 raised to 3. Today we compute the powers of 10. Which are the powers of 10? 10, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, etc. 10 means 10 raised to 1. Then what is 10 raised to 1? It is 10 itself. What is 10 raised to 2? It is 10 into 10. That is 100. What about 10 raised to 3? 10 is multiplied 3 times. So it is 1000. What about 10 raised to 5? 10 should be multiplied how many times? 10 times. So 1 after how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. So this is 10 raised to 5. Like that, any powers we can find out. You find out 10 raised to 8. Can you find out 10 raised to 8? How much you will get? 1 after 8 zeros will get. You try to do that one. Compute the power of 20. That is 20 raised to 4 you have to find out. How will you find out this? 20 should be multiplied how many times? 4 times. So 20 into 20 into 20 into 20. This 20 we can multiply with 10 into 2. So 2 into 10. You got the first 20. Next 2 into 10. Next 2 into 10. Next one is 2 into 10. So instead of 20 we can write the powers, write the multiplication of 10. So 2 into 10, 2 into 10 like that. Then this 2 should be written together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Multiplied by how many tens? 10. 4 tens are there. So here how much is there? 2 should be multiplied 4 times. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16 into 1 after how many zeros? 4 zeros. So the answer you are getting 16, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 20 you have to split it in the power of 10. So 2 into 10 like that. Then 2 should be right together, 10 should be right together. 2 is multiplied together and 10 is multiplied separately. Then you have to multiply it together. So the answer you are getting is 1. Next question. 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 5. How will you write this one? 2 should be multiplied 4 times and 5 should be multiplied 5 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2 is multiplied. Then 5 is multiplied how many times? 5 times into 5. Previous one, we split this 20 into 2 into 10. Here, reverse you can do it. 2 into 5 we can write together. 2 into 5 multiplied by 2 into 5. Next 2 into 5. Again 2 into 5. Then one more 5 is there. That 5 should be written like that only. Then see 5 into 2 is how much? 10. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 5. So we are converting into the powers of 10. So 10 should be multiplied how many times? 4 times. So 10 raised to 4 multiplied by 5. What is the answer? 5 into 10 is 50. Then 4 zeros should be added. Five on 5, then 4 zeros. So we got the answer as 50,000. How you done this? 2 raised to 4 and 5 raised to 5. So 2 should be multiplied 4 times, 5 should be multiplied 5 times. Then after writing this, what happened? 2 into 5 we are writing together. 2 into 5 make into group. Then 1 5 is remaining. The 5 keep like that only. So 2 into 5 you get 10. So we are converting into the powers of 10. So 10 should be multiplied 4 times. That is 10 raised to 4. Then multiplied by 5. The answer we are getting as 50,000. Find out 10 raised to 3. That means 100 should be multiplied how many times? 3 times. Then this you can convert into 10. 100 is 10 into 10. This 100 is also 10 into 10. 10 into 10. We are converting to the powers of 10. Here 10 into, how many tens are there? 6 tens are there. So we can write as 10 raised to 6. So 1 after how many zeros? 6 zeros. So 100 raised to 3 we are converting the powers of 10. 100 into 100 into 100. 100 we are divided like 10 into 10. 10 into 10, 10 into 10. How many tens are there? 6 tens are there. So 10 raised to 6. So we can write as the answer as 1 after 6 zeros. Write 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore as powers of 10. So these all we have to convert into the powers of 10. See the first one, 100. 100 means hundreds. Okay. So 100 how you can write? 10 into 10. This how much? 10 raised to how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 100 can be write as 10 raised to 2. Then second one, 1000. How many zeros over 1000? 3 zeros. So 10 into 10 into 10. I can write this as 10 raised to 3. Third one, 10,000. 10,000 how many zeros? 4 zeros. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That you can write as 10 after how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 10 raised to 4. Then fourth one, lakh. How many zeros for lakh? 5. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 5 tens are there. So what is the answer? 10 raised to 5. What about the next? 10 lakh. 10 lakh. How many zeros are there? 1 after 6 zeros. That is 10,000. So 6 tens. You have to multiply it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 after 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6 is 10 lakh. Next one is crore. Crore, there should be 7 zeros. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. So 7 tens are there. That you can make in a group. 2 in one group. So 1 remains there. That means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 raised to 7. So 1 crore you can write as 10 raised to 7. 100 is 10 raised to 2. 1000 10 raised to 3. 10,000 10 raised to 4. Lakh 10 raised to 5. 10 lakh 10 raised to 6. Crore 10 raised to 7. Compute the powers. 30 raised to 4. That is 30 is multiplied how many times? 4 times. This 30 you can write as 3 into 10. So 3 into 10. 3 into 10. 3 into 10. 3 into 10. Then 3's right together. How many 3's? 4 3's are there. Then 10 write it together. 4 tens. Then 3 into 3 is how much? You can write as 3 square. 3 into 3 is also you can group it. 3 into 3 3 square. 3 into 3 3 square. Then 10 into 10 10 square. 10 into 10 10 square. Then what is 3 square? It is 9. 3 square is 9. Then here either you can write as 10 raised to 4 or 100 into 100. So 9 into 9 is how much? 81 into 10 raised to how many? 4. 4 zeros, no? So 81 after 4 zeros. So 30 you have to split into 3 into 10. Then 3 is written together, 10 is written together. Then 3 should be multiplied together, 10 should be multiplied together. And you get the answer. 50 raised to 5. 50 is multiplied how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then split into 5 into 10. Once more, 10 5 into 10. This is all into only. Then write 5 together. How many 5's? 5 5, no? Then 10 is written together. 10 into 10 into 10 into, that will be in 5 times. So it is, you can group into 2. That is 5 into 2, 5 into 5, 5 raised to 2 you can write. Then 3 more 5's are there. So 5 raised to 3. Then here 10 raised to 5. What is 5 square? 5 into 5 is how much? 5 square. 5 square is how much? 25. Then 25 into 5 is how much? 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5 is how much? 125. That is 5 cube is 125. 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. 5 square means 5 into 5. 5 cube means 5 is multiplied 3 times. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5 is 125. Multiplied by 10 raised to 5. This 25 and 125 you have to multiply it. Then write the answer. If you multiply 25 into 125 you will get 3125. multiplied by 10 raised to 5. So it is 3, 1, 2, 5. After how many zeros? 5 zeros. 200 raised to 3. That is 200 into 200 into 200. Then it is split into 10. How much? 2 into 10, 20. 20 into 10, 200. So 200 we can write as 2 into 10 into 10. 2 into 10 into 10. 2 into 10 into 10. Powers of 10 you have to write down. Then how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3 2s. So 2 into 2 into 2. Now how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens written together. So it should be 2 raised to 3. 2 should be multiplied 3 times. What is the name of this 3? It is a power of 2. Or you can say the exponent. Exponent. Exponent is 3. Or the power is 3. It is 2 raised to 3. Then multiplied by 10 raised to 6. What is 2 raised to 3? 2 should be multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 8. 8 after how many zeros? 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. So, what about this term? 2 raised to 3. 2 to the power of 3. Or you can write, it is the exponent of 2. What is that? 3. The power is means repeated multiplication. That is studied as exponentiation. Next topic is place value. See the question. 3675. According to place value, we have to split it. So 3657. That is 3 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 5. You know how to split according to the place value. 3675. So using the powers of 10, we can write this one. So it is 3 into 10 raised to 3 plus 6 into 10 raised to 2 plus 7 into 10 raised to how much? That is 1. That is 10 itself. Plus 5. So like this you have to write down. This is the splitting of a number by place value. First you write in place value, then write in the powers of 10. 1221. First you have to split it. 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 1. Then according to the powers you should write down. So 1 into 10 raised to how many zeros? 3 plus 2 into 10 raised to 2 plus 2 into 10 plus 1. Write the powers of 10. So next one, that is 6 into 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 6 into 10,000 plus 0. 0, there is no value. 0 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 4. So it is 6 into 10,000. That is 6 into 10 raised to 6 plus this term is cancelled, 0. Then 5 into 100. That is 5 into 10 raised to 2 plus this also cancelled. Then 4. According to place value, you should write down. Next is the decimals. 362.574. As usual, you have to do it. 3 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 2 plus. We'll write this one. This is the place of 10. It is 100. This is for 1000. 5 in the place of 10, 7 in the place of 100, and 4 in the place of 1000. Plus, so we'll write 5 into 1 by 10 plus 7 into 1 by 100 plus 4 into 1 by 1000. So it should be 3 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 2 plus 5 into 1 by 10 plus 7 into 1 by 100 plus 4 into 1 by 1000. Then write in the powers of 10. 3 into 10 raised to 2 plus 6 into 10 plus 2 plus 5 into 1 by 10 plus 7 into 100 is 10 raised to 2 plus 4 into 1000 is 10 raised to 3. Like this we have to write down only the place value. See the next 437.54. 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 7 plus 10, it is 100. 1 by 10, 1 by 100. 5 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100. Then write the powers of 10. 4 into 10 raised to 2 plus 3 into 10 plus 7 plus 5 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 10 raised to 2. Here 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. This is 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 plus 4 into 1 by 10 plus 0. 0 into 1 by 100. That is 0 only. So it is 1 into 10 raised to 3 plus 2 into 10 raised to 2 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 plus 4 into 1 by 10. Here the term is 0.